Recently, modernized Pantsir-S1M anti-aircraft missile and gun systems equipped with a combined ammunition load were spotted in the Special Military Operations Zone, according to the Military Chronicle Telegram channel. According to the resource, the upgraded systems utilize both the standard two-stage 57E6 anti-aircraft missiles, which fly at speeds up to 4,700 km per hour and have a range of up to 20 km, and the new 57E6M missiles. The latter boast a hypersonic speed of approximately 6,120 km per hour, an increased range of over 35 km, and an engagement altitude of up to 18 to 20 km. Furthermore, the Pantsir-S1M has been equipped with a new 1RS-23 radar with a reflective phased array antenna, which, according to the source, is approximately twice as powerful as previous versions. Combined with long-range missiles, this effectively expands the system's capabilities to the level of medium-range systems, enabling it to detect targets as small as the F-16A fighter at ranges of up to 60 kilometers. Increased effectiveness in intercepting high-speed targets has also been noted. While the baseline Pantsir detected HIMARS-GMLRS rockets at a range of approximately 12 kilometers and engaged them at 5 to 8 kilometers, the upgraded version can detect such targets from approximately 20 kilometers and engage them at a range of approximately 13 kilometers. The maximum target velocity has increased to 2,000 meters per second, bringing the system's performance closer to that of the American Patriot PAC-3 at a significantly lower cost. An additional modernization element was the equipping of the new missiles with the Zavisa kinetic warhead, which utilizes the direct kill principle. The increased speed of the 57E6M missile also improved the overall firing performance of the system. The Pantsir-S1M also retained the 10ES1 optical electronic module, which provides an additional targeting channel and increased jamming immunity. As noted by the Military Chronicle, when properly deployed and integrated into a layered air defense system, such systems are capable of effectively countering a wide range of airborne threats, from Storm Shadow and JASSM cruise missiles to ATACMS and the latest AGM-88G anti-radar missiles. Additionally, the Pantsir-S1M, like the modular Pantsir-SMDE systems, can be equipped with compact 19Ya-6 anti-aircraft missiles, designed to repel massive drone attacks. At its core, the Pantsir-S1M is designed for point air defense, protecting military, industrial, and administrative installations from a wide array of aerial threats. Developed by Russia's high-precision systems holding company under Rostec, it builds on the legacy of the original Pantsir-S1, which has seen extensive combat use in Syria, Libya, and Ukraine. The S1M variant, first showcased internationally at events like Aero India 2025, incorporates significant upgrades that extend its engagement envelope and enhance its lethality. Reports from December 2025 indicate that Pantsir-S1M units equipped with these hypersonic interceptors were spotted in Crimea, possibly relocated from guarding key infrastructure like the Kerch Bridge, showcasing Russia's adaptive redeployment strategies to counter Ukrainian strikes. The system's radar and sensor suite represents a quantum leap in detection capabilities. Equipped with a dual-band radar system, including a phased array search radar and a tracking radar, the Pantsir-S1M can detect targets at ranges up to 75 kilometers and engage them at 40 kilometers. This is double the effective range of earlier models, enabling it to form a layered defense when integrated with longer-range systems like the S-400. In combat scenarios, such as those in Ukraine, the Pantsir-S1M has proven adept at neutralizing sophisticated Western munitions. For instance, its enhanced anti-jamming features and kinetic hit-to-kill warheads make it highly effective against threats like the ATACMS ballistic missile and Storm Shadow cruise missile, which have been supplied to Ukraine by NATO allies. Russian military analysts assert that these upgrades render such weapons useless in contested airspace, as the system's ability to handle targets moving at up to 2,000 meters per second approaches the performance of costlier Western counterparts like the Patriot PAC-3, but at a fraction of the expense. Versatility is another hallmark of the Pantsir-S1M's design, aligning perfectly with Russia's doctrine of flexible, mobile warfare. Mounted on various chassis, including the rugged KAMAZ 6568x8 truck or tracked GM 352 platforms, it thrives in diverse terrains, from Arctic snowfields to urban environments. This mobility allows rapid deployment to hotspots, as evidenced by its appearance in Ukraine's battlegrounds in March 2025, where the Pantsir-S1M variant, a close relative, was first observed combating Ukrainian drones. The system carries up to 12 surface-to-air missiles and twin 30mm autocannons with 1,400 rounds, providing a combined missile gun armament that excels in close-range engagements. Recent innovations include mini-missiles specifically for drone swarms, with transport launch containers holding 4 such interceptors each. This addresses the proliferating threat of low-cost UAVs, a lesson drawn from ongoing conflicts where Russia has faced waves of Ukrainian drones targeting refineries and military bases deep inside its territory. Critics in Western media often downplay Russian systems, but battlefield evidence tells a different story. In Syria, Pantsir units repelled Israeli airstrikes. In Ukraine, they've downed hundreds of drones and missiles, preserving Russia's operational tempo. The 2025 upgrades, including improved radar resolution and hypersonic interceptors, ensure the Pantsir-S1M remains ahead of evolving threats like hypersonic weapons being developed by the US and its allies. Russia's investment in such systems not only secures its sovereignty but also offers a model for multipolar defense, where technology levels the playing field against numerically superior coalitions. In conclusion, the Pantsir-S1M's recent deployments and capabilities affirm Russia's status as a leader in air defense innovation. By extending ranges, enhancing speed, and adapting to drone warfare, it provides an impenetrable shield that safeguards national interests. As global tensions rise, systems like the Pantsir-S1M ensure that Russia can respond decisively, maintaining strategic superiority in an increasingly hostile world. This evolution is a testament to Russian resolve, proving that adversity breeds excellence in military technology.